It is me, Zari, the boss lady. I'm so fucking beautiful. I'm a fucking billionaire. I'm very intelligent. I can be with whoever I want to be with. But I chose.
Nthawi yabwino yokwatira kapena kukwatiwa nthawi imene musanayiphule mukamavutikamo nthawi imene tikuvutika imeneyi mapeza anthu okhala nawo chifukwa kuti kutsogolo kuno palibe amene adzashayenere zake yayi because koma aliyense wayiphula kale makhambola mmodzi wayiphula kale amakhala the boss amene sunayiphulewe makhala kapolo chinanso especially achinyamata yesesani kundithu kupeza dola osati kupeza anthu amene ali kale ndi drama chifukwa kuti mamuna he is entitled kuti asamale mkazi komanso usidu ndi wamkazi urisamala mamuna. That's why akazi ama yankhula we chifukwa akakhaura kusamalani manyumbamo so dindo wawo udindo uli ndi mamuna ndiye mamuna ungatenga mkazi urali ndi kenakake ndalama and ukuona zoti zamba kuvuta amba kuyalutsa makuti it's like mezi makhalikirira amayenera kuti akuyalutse amayenera kuti nakudziwitse kuti udindo wako sukukwaniritsa ndiye zimene zachitika nthu amene Shakibu mamuna wake wa Zari ndi ex wa Diamond ndi mamuna amene ndi wachitatu oyamba anamwalira koma banja naye lathakale anasiyana atatu kenako Diamond kenako kuthaso mabwera nsopano Ashakibu siwochita bwino kuposa mkazi yaya Ashakibu ndoti zawonso ama akupusha ndiye kuyaluka ma social media kuti fa mkazi yakwankhula motumbwa kuti ukhozopeza ndithopeza wina ndipo ine nditama ndi tisiye fa issue imene akulapa ndito kuti Shakibu mkazi wa Zari akukhala ndi insecurities ndikuti kukhala ukayikira kuti anthu mkazi amene ndi ex uja sangaswentedza nde akhanga kuti ali ndi tinkhawankhawa choncho mamulondolonda mkazi ndi wayankhulatu ndi mutauzana konko azibwesa pa social media ndachita kuona kuti ndi drama ndine billionaire ndinotani taona ne video yake zimene ukamba papa koma ngizanga ndono kuti saka ndalama peza na anthu alevu yanu mzivutika limodzi pakutsogolo babe amene azashayenera zake. Thank you.
Let me tell you something. If I want to get back to Diamond, I can be back. If Diamond want to get back to me, he can be back. But we are so over each other. We are so over each other. I don't want him. He doesn't want me. Hence, I have a husband. He has a girlfriend. But
you have a bad history.
My husband is very insecure.
You have a bad history.
Wow.
And that is causing a lot of problems. I have to be here to explain. Oh, I wasn't doing that. Oh, he wasn't like that. Oh, it's this. Oh, it's that. It's this. It's like, really?
Nice.
Oh, fucking boss lady. I have to do a whole live. A whole fucking boss lady. I have to do a whole live just to prove a point to my husband.
You are my brother.
Because this life is to prove a point to my husband.
You know what? I did a good job. I read good.
Really?
results.
Nah.
You did.
No. Like, nigga, go fix yourself. The problem is not even with me. Go fix yourself. Go fix your insecurities. Go fix your weaknesses, bro. I chose my husband, and I don't care how you guys see him. Oh, he's broke. He's not good enough. Oh, he's this. I don't care. I chose him. I chose him. I chose to be with him, to be my husband. And then he has to put me through this. My guy better change. My guy better recognize. If my guy doesn't want to recognize who I am, shame. I'll definitely find someone who's going to recognize my worth, because I am worth so much more. No, baby, I'm not lying. If you are not going to recognize who I am, unfortunately, I'm going to find somebody to replace you. And I'm not fucking scared, because let me tell you why I'm not scared. I love love. And everybody knows when I love, I'm loyal. Like, I give my everything to that person that I'm dating, like my heart. I introduce you to my family, my kids, my everything. Like, I travel with you. Like, tell me where I have gone and my husband doesn't come through. Tell me where I've gone and my husband doesn't come through. He comes through. Everywhere I go, he comes through. Like, it's just showing you, like, I love. But if you are not recognizing that, it's what it is.
Yeah, it is what it is.
Yeah, it is what it is.
It is bedtime. It is what it is.
Rafi,
It's time to sleep.
what did you order? McDonald's?
It's food from the dinner.
What do you mean food from the dinner?
Food from the dinner. Food here.
I'm not eating meat, guys. I haven't had meat like in 2 months.
Shit days.
No, I haven't had
Hey
meat.
guys, she's fighting. I don't know what she's
No, I'm not fighting. I'm just trying to make peace. Like, I'm really like this nice person. Everybody knows I'm this nice person, but I get taken advantage of. Is that a word?
Why are you doing this live?
Ask her again.
Yeah,
Understand me?
people take advantage of me, and
Read the other one again, Uncle GT.
okay, no, wait, Uncle GT, Uncle GT is having a whole altercation with Zara. Did you even hear what GT said? A whole altercation, bro.
So why you live? The family is...
Thank you, my boy. Thank you, my boy.
Doesn't matter.
I love you. I mean,
Because
Ross,
I
Ross,
get judged.
Ross,
I get
love
judged.
you. I love you, Ross.
I get
Why
judged.
you lying?
People, yeah, that's the whole point.
Why you lying?
I get judged when people don't know the whole truth.
This doesn't have anything
Doesn't matter. I get judged when people don't know the
what's this
truth.
for?
Doesn't matter.
What's this for?
Doesn't
You gotta
matter.
wake up and ask yourself, what are you doing?
I want.
What is this
I'm in
for?
my sober state.
No, you're not. What's this
I'm in my
for?
sober state.
What's this for? Just end it. You don't
I'm
need
not
to-
ending my life.
What's that for?
Did you hear
What's
what's
it for?
What is it for?
What is that for?
Yeah, because Shakib is trying to act like, oh, no,
But what is that gonna do?
Doesn't matter.
So why are you shouting at me?
I'm not.
What?
I'm not.
Give me
Why
five.
don't you
Give me
just get
five,
your
my boy.
leftovers?
Give me five, my boy. Give me
Get
five,
your
my boy.
leftovers
No, give
from.
me five, my
Doesn't
boy.
matter. Get your
No.
leftover from the microwave and keep it moving.
There's no need.
It doesn't matter.
It was a nice day.
It was a nice day, but
It ended on a nice note.
it's not ending on a nice note, because people think I'm otherwise. People always think I'm otherwise, and they don't know the whole story. Then they start judging me. Oh, you with your baby daddy? Or what about your husband? Or what about this? What about that? You don't know the whole story.
You don't have to explain.
I have to explain. If you don't understand. You don't understand. If I don't explain, then it becomes my problem. Oh, I'm the bitch. I'm the woman who doesn't settle with that one guy. I'm the woman who's this, a gold digger or whatever. I'm not even a gold digger. Like, I fucking work for my money.
Yes.
Yeah.
So what does that
So
have to
keep
do
it
with
moving,
anything?
Rafi. You don't know what's happening here.
You don't even know what's happening yourself.
I know. Boy, bye.
I was planning to move from Uganda, come to South Africa.
I'll be so tired. I can't stand you for a month.
Why?
Nah, it's just too much. I am busy. Like, I'm busy. I'm doing a lot of adverts. I'm traveling. There's kids. There's running a business.